I have been working on being better just all around during my morning routine. So I start the day off right. First things first, I get out of bed and I brush my teeth and I wash my face. Before I tackle this curly mess, I know it will take about 15 minutes to do my hair, and that is literally all the time I need to whiten my teeth. I use the Laughland teeth whitening kit. I took the quiz online and it matched me with one of their 20 plus formulas that are specially made by dentists. So I know this will work for me and my teeth. You can take the quiz and get your own special formula. It's literally only $19 and the most convenient teeth whitening routine ever. And guys, it's vegan. So many foods and drinks slowly stain our teeth, so I had to add this to my daily routine. Next, I need to pick out an outfit, which is just some jeans and a t-shirt, but I always say you're never truly dressed without a smile. And guys, I'm doing this all while whitening my teeth. They make it so easy. I plug it into my portable charger and it makes moving around so easy. Then I finish up my routine with some makeup and my favorite lip color, and boom, oops, got some on my teeth. Okay, now I am ready to tackle the day with a brighter and wider smile.
We wanted to see if Laughland teeth whitening kit actually works, so I'll be using it.
And I won't.
The formula is completely customizable, so it's the perfect fit for my teeth.
So let's see the difference it makes.
So you put a fourth of the gel on the top, and then a fourth on the bottom.
So we plugged it in, and now she's gonna put it in for 10 minutes.
You're about to have professional level results in just 10 minutes.
Since this is dentist approved and only $19, if this works, I'm filling out my quiz as soon as possible. Now that 10 minutes are up, we're gonna see what the first use results look like. Okay, are you ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, wait, that looks so good.
I finally found a teeth whitening kit that actually works.
I'm filling out my quiz right now.
We recommend Laughland teeth whitening kit.
It's time to learn the truth about teeth whiteners. Laughland offers the only dentist-formulated at-home teeth whitening kit designed for your unique smile and clinically proven to deliver visible results. Boost your confidence with a brighter smile. Our clinically backed ingredients include the same hydrogen peroxide used in professional dental offices. Whiten teeth by 7+ shades in just 6 days without causing pain or sensitivity. Unlike other teeth whitening options on the market, Laughland's kits are specially formulated with glycerin and sodium hydroxide to neutralize the acidity and peroxide. This means you can enjoy a whiter smile without the sensitivity issues common with other products. Get the smile you deserve fast, effective, and pain-free.